yeah. Go on.
What you need. Hey beautiful, welcome back to Wellness with Oyindamola, your safe space for real talk, real health and real results. If you're like me that you've ever had to pause your whole day because of menstrual cramp, mood swing or that feeling, or during that time of the month, this video is for you. So today I'm going to be sharing a simple juice made with just 3 ingredients that can help ease menstrual cramp, reduce bloating and boost your mood naturally. So I know it's going to be exciting, and this is something that is very easy to make. So I really want us to get started and to try it out. Yes, make sure to try it out at home. So let's dive in. Let's get started. A cup of fresh pineapple chunk, 1 ripe banana, and a small piece of ginger. We have pineapple. Pineapple contains a very powerful enzyme called bromelain, which helps to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, especially helpful during your period. So next we have is the banana. Banana is rich in magnesium, potassium, which help your muscle to relax and that annoying period cramp. It gives you a bit of natural sweetness and energy. And finally we have the ginger. Guys, you know I love ginger. It gives the anti-inflammatory, which helps with the pain relief and can even help to reduce nausea and vomiting. If you experience nausea and vomiting during your period, this is the right combo for you. Just as you've seen in the video, you put everything in a clean blender. You can also add your water. If you want more flavor, you can add your coconut water. You add your water so that it can blend properly. You'll make sure that while you are blending, everything blends smoothly. So once it gets smoothly, you can decide to strain out, or you can decide to leave as a smoothie, because for some persons they'll tell you that smoothie makes them full, but I prefer to strain out and get the juice out of it. You can also refrigerate to make sure that it's cold. And tada, we have your anti-cramp, mood boosting, bloating reducing wellness juice. I love this drink especially because you can take it especially in the morning or where you feel like the cramp is starting to come. So if you will try this video, let me know in the comments how it made you feel, and if you have your own go-to period remedy, you can as well share it, because we're trying to build a community of women supporting women. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss more natural tips for a healthy and happy life. Don't forget, my channel is for everything body care, feminine wellness and living your soft, healthy baby girl lifestyle. So please don't forget to subscribe and join our wellness tribe. Thank you very much.